Ramsey Meltzer from Beyblade, part 2. So now I'm gonna be doing some battles with Dark Bull. Okay, let me do a launch with it. Oh, look at that spin. It's really nice. Okay, let's do it again, Striker. Let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, it's pretty good. Okay, Striker wins. Just let me get a different launcher. Okay, so let's do it with score 1-0. Let it rip. I hope Dark Bull wins. Let it rip. Oh my god. Okay, Bull wins. Final round. Let it rip. There's Striker. Now Dark Bull. This is a final round. I just know Dark Bull's gonna win. Okay, so Dark Bull wins it. Yay. Okay. Part 3.